Is XRP about to explode to $4? In this high-energy Zaki crypto update, we dive into the latest $450 million Binance outflows, ETF speculation, and why traders are betting big on Ripple's next move. I'll break down the key insights from a hot new article, share my expert analysis, and explain what this means for your crypto portfolio. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto updates. Let's get into it. $4 for XRP? That's right, Ripple could be gearing up for a massive breakout, and it all comes down to two things: $450 million walking out of Binance and the growing whispers of an XRP ETF. But is this the real deal, or just another crypto hype train? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Zaki Crypto Update, where we break down the latest crypto news and trends so you can stay ahead of the game. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the crypto game for years, this is your go-to channel for high-energy updates, expert insights, and a whole lot of fun. I'm Zaki, and today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in crypto right now, XRP's potential path to $4. Let's get into it. Let's start with this interesting article from CoinGape titled Ripple, XRP, Price Forecast. Will Binance withdrawals of $450 million spark a $4 XRP rally? This piece dives deep into the recent movements in the XRP market, and let me tell you, there's a lot to unpack here. As you can see on the screen, the article highlights some key data points that could make or break XRP's next big move. Let's break it down together. First up, the article points out that XRP has been consolidating above the $3.10 mark after hitting a high of $3.30 earlier in the week. Now, consolidation might sound boring, but in crypto, it's often the calm before the storm. The article mentions that XRP is trading in a tight range between $2.82 and $3.36, and this could be a launchpad for the next big move. But here's where it gets interesting: Binance outflows. Over the past 10 days, traders have withdrawn a whopping 150 million XRP from Binance, worth approximately $450 million. That's not pocket change, folks. When you see large outflows like this, it usually means traders are moving their coins into cold storage. Basically, they're holding for the long term. And that's a bullish signal. Now, why are they holding? Well, the article speculates that it could be tied to the growing chatter about an XRP ETF. Yes, you heard that right, an XRP ETF. With the recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs and the buzz around altcoin ETFs, it's not far-fetched to think XRP could be next. And if that happens, we could see a massive institutional influx of cash into XRP, potentially pushing it to $4 or even higher. Take a look at this chart on the screen. You can see the consolidation range I mentioned earlier, with $2.82 as support and $3.36 as resistance. If XRP breaks above the $3.36 level, we could be looking at a quick run to $3.60 and beyond. But if it falls below $2.82, things could get shaky. That's why this consolidation phase is so critical. It's setting the stage for the next big move. Now, let's tie this all together. We've got $450 million leaving Binance, traders holding for the long term, and ETF speculation heating up. These are all signs that big players are positioning themselves for a potential XRP rally. And let's not forget the political angle. Ripple executives were spotted at a pre-inauguration dinner at Mar-a-Lago, which could mean stronger ties between XRP and the new administration. But here's the kicker. The article also mentions that XRP's price forecast hinges on its ability to stay within this $2.80 to $3.40 range. If it breaks out to the upside, we could see a rally to $4. But if it breaks down, we might be looking at a retest of the $2.50 level. So, what's my take? I think the odds are in favor of a breakout, especially with all this institutional interest and ETF hype. But as always, crypto is unpredictable, so keep your eyes peeled. Let's get a little more technical for a moment. The article references the Ichimoku span intersection, or ISI, which is a key indicator for XRP's price action. According to the chart, $2.90 is acting as a strong support level, while $3.60 is the resistance to watch. If XRP can break above $3.60, we could see a rapid move toward $3.70 and beyond. But here's something interesting: the moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, is showing a slight bullish momentum with a reading of 0.22. However, there's also a minor negative divergence of -0.0043, which suggests there's some fragility in the current setup. This means traders need to be cautious. While the potential for a breakout is there, so is the risk of a pullback. And let's not forget about the $450 million in outflows. Historically, large outflows like this have preceded major price movements. For example, back in 2021, similar outflows were followed by a significant rally in XRP. Could history repeat itself? It's definitely possible. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the possibility of an XRP ETF. The article mentions that there are fresh filings for altcoin ETFs, and XRP is one of the top contenders. If an XRP ETF gets approved, it would open the floodgates for institutional money to flow into the asset. Think about it, Bitcoin ETFs have already brought in billions of dollars from institutional investors. If XRP gets the same treatment, we could see a similar surge in demand. And with the supply tightening due to these massive outflows, the price could skyrocket. But here's the thing, ETF approvals are never a sure thing. Regulatory hurdles, political pressures, and market conditions all play a role. So while the speculation is exciting, it's important to keep a level head and not get carried away. If you're as excited about XRP's potential as I am, smash that like button and let me know in the comments, do you think XRP will hit $4? And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got a lot more crypto news and analysis coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Before we move on, I want to hear from you. What's your take on XRP's recent price action? Are you holding, buying more, or waiting on the sidelines? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going. Crypto is all about community, and your insights are invaluable. Now, let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture. The crypto market as a whole has been on a roller coaster ride lately. Bitcoin recently surged past $105,000, thanks to discussions about the US adopting Bitcoin as a strategic reserve currency. And let's not forget about the meme coin craze. Trump's meme coins have been dominating social sentiment, which has taken some of the spotlight away from altcoins like XRP. But here's the thing, when Bitcoin dominance rises, it often creates opportunities for altcoins to catch up later. So while XRP might be consolidating now, it could be setting the stage for a massive altcoin season. And if that happens, XRP could be one of the top performers. Of course, no analysis would be complete without talking about the risks. The article mentions that if XRP fails to hold the $2.82 support level, we could see a retest of the $2.50 zone. And if that level breaks, things could get ugly. Any negative developments on that front could weigh heavily on XRP's price. So, while I'm optimistic about XRP's potential, it's important to approach it with caution. Always have a plan, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Alright, let's recap what we've covered today. XRP is consolidating in a tight range between $2.82 and $3.36, and $450 million has been withdrawn from Binance in the past 10 days. This suggests that traders are positioning themselves for a potential breakout. ETF speculation is adding fuel to the fire, and if an XRP ETF gets approved, we could see a massive rally. However, there are risks to consider, including regulatory uncertainty and the possibility of a breakdown below key support levels. So, what's next for XRP? In my opinion, the odds are in favor of a breakout, but as always, crypto is unpredictable. Keep an eye on the $3.36 resistance level. If XRP can break above that, we could be looking at a quick run to $4. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And if you're holding XRP or thinking about buying, let me know in the comments, what's your price target? Let's keep the conversation going. Before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Crypto is volatile, and while the potential for big gains is there, so is the risk of big losses. Alright, that's it for today's Zaki Crypto Update. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, whether you're holding XRP or just watching from the sidelines, stay curious, stay informed, and keep riding the crypto wave. I'll see you in the next one.